Purchase Order Management. Optimize your inventory with advanced purchase order management, the smart solution for retailers looking to streamline their purchasing operations. Our cloud-based system simplifies complex workflows with a clear matrix grid for faster, smarter ordering. Seamlessly integrated with your retail POS, it ensures accurate and efficient order generation and receiving. Enjoy multi-currency support, flexible order customization, and categorized tracking based on status. Review in the example on our site, the Purchase Order Enhanced Management System. This intuitive dashboard gives you a quick overview of your business, including total products, vendors, and shops. You can also track draft, sent, and receiving orders all in one place, ensuring complete control and efficiency in managing your supply chain. Here, under the Products List section, you can view and manage all synced products with ease. Each product displays key details including title, category, minimum order quantity, SKU, UPC, default cost, and the last synced date. Under Shops, you can view and manage all your connected stores. Each shop shows its import date and time, giving you complete visibility on synchronization. From this dashboard, you can easily view shop details, delete a shop, or quickly sync to keep everything up to date. Experience smarter purchase order management. Get in touch to learn more. Contact AdVision today.